Hello, this is a presentation of my extender parts for G1 seekers and comb heads. This touch screen already has the parts on and they look like this. They are just printed parts that plug into normal wing slots, and you can slide the wings inside, and thanks to this you have a more cartoon-like pose without damaging the figure. To compare, normal height of the wings is this. So it really makes a lot of difference in how the seeker is presented on your shelf. So if you are interested, I will have them up on eBay, and I will provide a link in the description. Thank you for watching, and please check out my other stuff. Thank you.